So heading to get the registration IDs as of today itself. So because not to waste any more time today, tomorrow morning. So yeah, going with Dinraj bike as a pillion.
My GoPro is dead.
Dead battery. Then why you are carrying a GoPro? Okay. Popping again. Okay, let's go. The night before Rider Mania.
These are the headed light setup.
Here with the QR codes.
WhatsApp the play.
Scanner. Where is your scanner? QR codes, and we are taking the band. Yeah, done.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Raj bike, where is yours?
I have been tagged for the Rider Mania 2022 by Royal Enfield. I feel privileged now. So
Mine too.
Welcome to the Motoville. Welcome to the Motoverse.
So basically for the kit we have the scanner and the t-shirts will be given.
Large.
Yes, thank you. So this is how we got the shirt.
And we got some stickers and a map also.
This is from the front and the back. I'll just try once, okay? Try if it is fine. Obviously.
Yeah.
You want to try?
So now we are going to see Room Rider stripping. Come on, Room Rider. Room Rider, do it. Ah, yes. For the money.
So basically the kit which we got, I mean this is not better than the the last years, maybe the one which we got the t-shirt. I mean I didn't get, but yeah, this guy over here. So that t-shirt was way better than the one which they are giving right now. It's kind of a black and white print. I don't know like what is the what they had in their mind. Yeah, but kind of, yeah. So I'll show you the sample of that t-shirt also, as well as this, the quality and how it's there. Hostel. A little bit of hostel vibes going on.
Next. Please come. Please sing. Someone sing one song.
This is Prem bhai.
Next Din Bhai.
Dinraj bhai Sound है परपुजी मारे. There is no sound, bro. You are playing the guitar, but there is no sound. Sussurut bhai. Naruto. Undu Sasuke. No, Itachi.
Night color black, white is very deep. White skin girl heart black. Empty life, girl come, life reverse gear. Lover, oh my lover, you showed me power. Cover, holy cover, I want to hear now.
So today's update is until here, and for the rest of the things I'll update tomorrow.